When the temperatures drop, not all animals are naturally equipped to handle the cold. Some of them have to take steps to get through it. Today's question for our pet vet on call is, how do frogs survive the winter?
They hibernate. The aquatic frogs go to the bottom of the pond or a creek, and they go into a deep, deep sleep for the entire season. The land frogs bury themselves in the ground just below the freeze line, and there they take the long, long nap. And then come spring, when the weather gets warm and everything thaws, that's when they all come up and you hear that beautiful first sound of spring with all the frogs croaking.
Yeah, long, long nap, which a lot of us are going to be taking, come say, tomorrow afternoon. Thanks for the question. We invite questions from anyone. If you have one, you just send it to PetVet, KOAMTV.com. Dr. Eva Dudek from the Parsons Pet Hospital answers a different question or brings us a fun fact every Wednesday right here on KOAM News at 5. You can also find answers to previous questions on our website. All right, let's check out our picks of the litter for the week. From the Joplin Humane Society, we have Chesterella. The shelter says she is an unknown hound mix puppy. A cute one, big ears. And from the Southeast Kansas Humane Society, we have this 4-year-old orange tabby named Walt. Looking for a pet? Check out your local Humane Society. That should be your first stop anyway. We always have a lot of great choices.